Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I update the Boss GT100 patch from 1.40 version to 2.12 version. First thing we need to do is checking the Boss GT100 current version simply by keep pushing both the effect and system button while turning the Boss GT100 on. On the screen we see the current version, and that is 1.40 version. Let's turn it off and go back to the computer and downloading the necessary files. Here I got the driver for Windows 11 and the 2.12 system version update file. Now we're back to Boss GT100. Turn it on while keep pushing the system button only, and on screen we can see the Boss GT updater. Pull the USB port cover, then connect the USB port. Wait till on display written USB connected. Back to computer, we can see there's Boss GT100 device. Copy all file in the folder, then paste to the Boss device. Once it's done, eject the device to make sure the USB cable is secure to unplug. Unplug the USB cable, then push right to install the update on Boss GT100. It may take some time, so take your time and be cool, don't get impatient. Once it's complete, you can turn the effects off. To check whether the process is succeed, push both effect and system button while turning the Boss GT100 back on. On screen we will see the version is now 2.12, and that means we're done. Enjoy the new updates, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.